reason why I love open house and why I think it's really important for the community is because I think there's kind of a mystique around veterinary school, and showing that there is a lot to do within veterinary medicine, starting at the academic level, is a really great way to get people interested in vet med.
Today at Open House, I talked to several future veterinarians or veterinary technicians who are trying to decide what kind of role they want to play in the veterinary profession. Open House is a great way to highlight all the different areas of the vet school and how we support the community and how we can support future veterinarians and vet techs and the community.
So today we had our adopt a stuffed animal station, and then we had our cow palpation model, which this is from our clinical skills lab. We were able to, they let us bring it up, which we're really grateful for, and let everyone come and try to palpate the model cow, which has been a lot of fun.
And the kids, like the amount of children that are interested is also surprising. And I thought they would be grossed out by it, but no, all the kids just want to jump right in there, literally. So
yeah.
it was fun.
I think it's really great just to show the community what we do here and what we can offer the community, both through medical services, but also just training, the next generation of veterinarians.
My favorite part of the day is seeing just people are really happy to be here and they're having fun, but really seeing the community interact with students and seeing students interact with the community is a really important thing to me and a really fun thing to see.